my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to trellis your butternut squash so you can grow them vertically. Here's a clip from the show. So the butternut squash is very easy to string up, and you don't have to support the fruit at all because it has a strong enough stem that it can just hang. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get our clips and put the string in the back of the clip. We're going to clip anywhere on the base of the plant. Each plant's going to get its own string. And so get that clip right at the base of the plant. And we're going to come up over the trellis, standing on my own string. Okay, up over the trellis like that. I want 2 clips on it because sometimes a clip will fail. It'll drop your plant and that can knock your fruit off. So we'll do that, and then we're going to put a clip on the plant, and these will just climb right on up the string. And so I'm going to go ahead and get a string on every plant that we got here. Alrighty, we have a ton of strings up, and it's one for each plant so that I can control each of the plants. So it's fine to have a bunch of string here. So this is really good. This will get the squash up out of the bed and up into the air where we can kind of watch for squash bugs a little bit better. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 13. If you'd like to follow the squash plants all season long, go ahead and enroll in the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.